Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. This is Jen Francis here. So on today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to create a link to your WhatsApp. So you don't need to be stressing yourself again, giving out your number to people. All you just need is just a simple link that is going to lead people straight to your WhatsApp. Just the link, you can add it to your Facebook, your Instagram bio, your Twitter bio, in so many places. Just the link, and people will be led straight to your WhatsApp. No stress. So, and I can show you, I'm going to show you how to do that for free. You heard me right, for free. So you won't pay a dime just to create a link to your WhatsApp. So the first thing you need to do is to open your browser. For me, I use Chrome. You can use any other browser. So open your browser. So once you open your browser, tap or search for wa.link. So search for it. Oh, my network is poor. Okay, so here we are. You can see wa.link creates WhatsApp link. So you scroll down, and all these things, one good thing about it is that it's totally free. You don't need to pay a dime to anybody just to create a WhatsApp link. So scroll down, and you're going to see create your free link here. So here you can choose the country. It automatically chose Nigeria for me because I'm in Nigeria, so I don't need to choose any other country. But if you're not in Nigeria, you can choose the country you are in. So I'm going to enter my phone number now, my WhatsApp number. So I've entered my WhatsApp number now, and here it says custom message. This custom message is going to be the message the person is going to see once the person taps on your link. So you can choose the custom message. Let's say, hello, my name is, I want to connect with you. So that's just a custom message. You can choose the one you want. So we are just going to click on generate my WA link. So I'll click on it. It's going to generate our link for us for free. Yes, for free, no stress. So here you're going to see copy link. Link copied. I've copied the link. So to check if what we did is right, I'm going to open this link that we have just generated now from wa.link. So it's going to open. It says continue chat, so tap on it. This is going to lead me straight to my WhatsApp. So here it is. It just opened. So it means congratulations, you have just created your free link. So if you watched and followed us to this point, congratulations to you. You can now go and create your own WhatsApp link without stress for free. You can see how it is, how easy it is. So if you enjoyed this video to this extent, please do well to hit the subscribe button. Like this video, please. Like this video. Turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop awesome videos like this. See you guys next time. Bye.